Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's. This is rebuilding the home. There's something a little different to normal. Right, so a lot of people have never seen the house. So there was always a DVD rack here, but I moved it this way a bit. This used to be where you go into the bedroom. This used to be all blocked in here on an L shape with lots of stuff there and a set of drawers and stuff. This set of drawers used to be up against the wall. Nice bathroom. Kitchen. It's an absolute shambles at the moment. I've started doing stuff like I put in hooks for the saucepans and stuff. I have a stove, like an oven here, but I need a bench top stove here, I think. This is what I'm going to attempt to do. So what I'm actually doing at the moment is everything's a mess, so it's no judgment. I don't judge, try not to. So what I'm doing is I'm just showing what I do. So this is my magic painting. Anyway, let's get on this. There's half the DVDs. There's the other half. So what we're actually doing at the moment is we're converting the whole bedroom to bookshelves. Now, bookshelf, doorway will be about there. And then this pole gets moved over. And then all of this will be bookshelves and all blocked in. Now what I'm going to do is, because I built all this, right? So looking out the window, you can see lounge room. Cool car guy lounge room. Yeah. Right. So it gets very dusty in here. So what I'm in the middle of doing is sealing up the top bits. I might have to go on top and seal up the joins because I reckon that's where most of the dust is coming in. But what I'm doing at the moment is I've just moved, there were shelves here and it had a shitload of stuff. That's what's all over the place, right? Hot Wheels cars and crap everywhere. The couch used to sit in front of the shelving unit. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm sealing this wall. I will put timber across there and I will have shelves here. So I actually have videos of when I built all this. All right, hold on. Let me come down a level. This is a full mezzanine. This is a full steel mezzanine. This was all carport equipment. So don't think that you can't build your own shit. At the end of the day, that's 200 by 70. That's 150 by 50, I think it is. Right? Originally, I must have spent, I think I've spent about $2,200 to build this unit. And that's exactly what it is. It's one bedroom unit. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to block this in and move this pole. Now, if you look up here, realistically, so see this, there's a pole behind there. In between the two, this has lasted for a long time. So in between these two shelves, there's a pole. And then I put the extra piece on top and I built it in more because I did only have this initially. Mirrors kind of annoy me. The beds, I'll stop complaining. I've told you that it's messy. It will be clean. You wait till you see the next ones. So what I'm doing at the moment is, whilst I'm doing it, I'm filming. I just started this today, and then what'll happen, once it's all filmed, I'll put it up as rebuilding the unit, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. It might be 2 parts, it might be 4, who knows, we'll see. But yeah, so next step will be couch across here. Now what? This is where it gets really, really exciting. So let's come back here. Oh, look. I have so much Hot Wheels stuff. Right? I don't know. What I'm doing is, because this is kitchen, I'm going to have this across there. That's blocked off. My heater goes in the bedroom properly now. Now before, when you used to walk in here and that area was all blocked off with a curtain, the heat didn't go in the bedroom as well as what it does right at this moment. So once that wall's built, couch is there. Do you know what that is in there? That's not just a lounge room. That's going to be an engine room too. This is where I'm going to assemble engines. So I have to get this joint clean. Having animals, a cat and a dog, it makes it a little hard, but I'm just looking after the puppy dog until Joe's set up. And the cat, I don't know. If she leaves the cat, she leaves the cat. I don't mind a companion. Animal's awesome. I took the dog out today. She had a ball. We went and looked at a workshop of a deceased gentleman named Jeff During, which was a drag racer. I tried to buy the whole workshop. It didn't happen. And this will give someone, and especially locals, if they know when he passed away and when I put it up, this will give you a bit of an idea. So yeah, this is where we're at. So if someone tells you can't do shit, tell them they're dreaming. Because realistically, pantry. Wait, I have food. People seem to think that I'm made of money sometimes. I swear, when I talk about the amount of money that I spend on stuff, pretty sure people think I'm made of money. I'm not. I made the money. Made every dollar. I dress in what I dress in, not because I can't afford anything nicer. It's because I'm always working. I'm always doing shit. I'm always wheeling and dealing. I'm always working out a way to make more money to build cooler shit. The reason I can do it is because of my life and how I live and where I live. My outgoings are low, guys. I don't have loans. I don't have credit cards. I don't have credit. I don't even actually have credit towards the business. Everything is cash accounts. There's no credit accounts with anybody. If you want to build a great life, you've got to have very little outgoings. Yes, I will go on holidays soon. Once my truck, I used to go on holidays all the time when I had my old tow truck. I got rid of the old tow truck because it was too uncomfortable. This new one, the new one's F350, it'll be cool. So I will go on pilgrimages and I will buy shit and drop shit off and I'll do all sorts of crazy shit. I'll take the drag bike, like the cruiser, the chopper drag bike thing. We'll call it the thing. I'll take that on runs. I'll take it all over the country. I'll take the E30 M3 on runs. So this is it. This is how you do it. You live humbly. If you don't need a 5-bedroom house, don't buy it. Anyone that's spending $750,000 to $1 million to buy a house at the moment, you're kind of forced to because rents are going through the roof too. There's probably another 3 years of this storm, and then I think stuff will settle down and you'll find there'll be certain places where people can't sell that actually went up and then come back down 25, 30%. And there'll be country towns, there'll be Port Pirie, there'll be places like that. So I'll just wait. I'll continue living in my 1-bedroom unit and I'll wait until the time is wrong. And you never know. Could be any time. So yeah. To cap it all off, check it out. You'll see the difference. So the whole idea was I want bookshelves all the way around the bedroom. I love the idea of living, like having my bedroom in a study with just thousands of just literature and energy that is involved with that literature. So if I pick up a book and it's got bad feel, it doesn't come into my shop. It doesn't come into my study. But the feeling in all the books and all the old engineering books, and I've got a bunch of street machines, and I've got a tucker box freezer full of books that's been sitting in my bathroom for 5-6 years. I actually want them all on shelves. Books, literature, information, surrounding yourself with information. You watch. It'll be awesome. Thanks, guys. Part 1's up. You have a lovely day. Thank you.